Welcome to LNP Renewable System Integrator. Today we are going to discuss some of the basics of electrical vehicles. So this session we had classified into 24 parts. Like each part is going to be a useful session. Come, let's get into the first part. So in this part, okay, we are going to use so many abbreviations. 2WS means two-wheelers, 3WS three-wheelers, four-wheelers, PV that is passenger vehicle, CV is a commercial vehicle, EVSC that is electrical vehicle supply management. Like just so many short forms you're going to use it. So if you have any doubt when you're listening to the video, so you can come back here and see the clarity of those short forms. Okay. Apart from it, there are a few more short forms we are using it. So if you have any doubts, you can refer these abbreviations. Okay. This is an example of an electrical vehicle real time which is being used in our country. Okay, there's a four-wheel vehicle, there's a three-wheel vehicle. So what are the things that we will discuss in the part 1? What is electrical mobility? Okay, what is a zero emission vehicle, and what is a battery electrical vehicle? Okay, and what are the driving conditions for a vehicle, and what are the main components of an electrical vehicle? So first we need to know electrical mobility. It means that the vehicle that are driven by means of electrical energy, that is electrical mobility. Okay, it includes both battery powered vehicles as well as the hybrid vehicles, that is which has both engine, IC engine as well as the electrical motor. Okay, and nowadays new electrical vehicles are coming into market which are run by fuel cells. Okay, what is a zero emission vehicle? Zero emission vehicle is nothing but a vehicle that does not release any sort of exhaust gases into the environment. And what is a battery operated vehicle? This is a vehicle that are moved exclusively by the electrical drives and also called battery electrical vehicles. Okay. So driving condition is very much important for the vehicle, because whenever you plan to design an electrical vehicle, you need to keep these driving conditions for designing the vehicle. First thing is that it should climb the uphills and it should moving off. Okay, and it should also have a low speed creeping. Okay, and you need to check the acceleration during the overtaking. Okay, how it is getting working, and most important thing is that it also should have a high speed cruising also. So this is a conventional vehicles. So we have a four-wheel vehicle. So engine part will be at the back side. Okay, and we have a axle which connects the engine and the front wheel. Okay, and if you're going for an electrical vehicle, we have a drivetrain layout. In that one, we need to consider place for a battery packs. Okay, and we will have a power inverters, so we should allocate a place for keeping the power inverters, and we should allocate a place for keeping the electrical motor. Okay, and apart from it, we should have a allocate the place for steerings also. And what are the main components of electrical vehicle? So we should have an electrical motor. Okay, and also in certain occasions when we are applying some brakings, okay, there should be a regeneration happening in the when we are applying the braking, that is regenerative braking. So our electric motor will try to act as an alternator or a generator. It will generate the power. The energy generator will be saved in the battery. So we should have a transmission, we should have a power electronic equipment, and we should have a high voltage lines. We should have a high voltage battery. Okay, it should have a cooling system, it should have a brake system, and it should have a battery charger, it should have a high voltage heating, and it should have a high voltage air compression system, and it should have a charging contact for the external charging, and it should have a battery charger also. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and press the bell icon. If you want to know more and learn more, you can contact us. We had provided the contact details here. If you need any sort of training related to electrical vehicles or PLC programming, we are providing basic PLC programming and advanced PLC programming for Siemens, Allenbroad and Delta PLCs. And if you had a plan to work in the BMS, that is Building Management System, and the Building Automation Control System in GCC countries, you can contact us. We are providing a training along with the certifications. And if you had a plan to design a solar diesel lighting system in your home, then you can contact us. And for your agriculture farms, if you are not planned to do the solar fencing, we are providing as a kit. You can contact us. We are also providing solar on-grid, off-grid, and hybrid applications, design, installation, testing, and commissioning supports. Thank you so much.